Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a new how-to for Google Keep, and today we're going to show you how to share out a note with a coworker, collaborator, spouse, or whomever. So with that, we're going to concentrate on our Project XYZ note here. Need to share this out with a coworker so we can keep in sync with getting things done for this new project we're kicking off. So what I can do is hover over my note, and with that, in the lower left corner at the bottom of our note, we will see those action icons, and you'll see the share icon like you're used to seeing in Google Drive. We're going to click on that, and we're going to add a person's name. It could be someone's email address. In this case, I'm going to add a coworker. We'll click on Save. And now in the lower left, I'll see their icon letting me know that this is a shared note. Now, both of us will see this in our Keep. Both of us can interact with the list or note, and if we mark something as being done or crossing it off, both of us will be able to see that so we can keep track of who's done what and when in real time, which is key in being efficient with Keep and your workflow process. So if we close this note, in the bottom left of our note, we'll see that little icon, once again letting us know that this is a shared note, so you know who it's shared with and can keep track of who's doing what in your different notes or in your different lists. So with that, that is how you can share a Google Keep note out with a friend, coworker, spouse, collaborator, and so on and so on. So until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or how to, this is Gary the Google Guy signing off.